This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading a trusted reference track and setting the equalizer to flat so you hear changes clearly. Use neutral monitors or headphones and play at a moderate level. This prevents ear fatigue and misleading bass perception. Once the track loops, sweep a narrow band with a boost to find problematic frequencies you want to adjust. Make small moves, 2-4 dB, and note what changes to instrument clarity and balance. This controlled start saves time later when you shape the whole mix. Now you target issues. Boost a narrow band to locate resonances or harshness, then cut that frequency instead of overboosting elsewhere. Make cuts of 2-6 dB with a medium Q to reduce mud or sibilance. This clears space for vocals and instruments. For tonal shaping, use gentle broad boosts of 1-3 dB in low-mid for warmth or high frequencies for air. Once done, toggle bypass to compare. Subtle surgical cuts usually sound more natural than heavy boosts. Finish by matching overall loudness so a /B comparisons are fair. The ear prefers louder, so use gain compensation. You should test on phone, car, and monitors to verify decisions translate across systems. If the mix loses energy, gently reduce cuts or add a broad low shelf under 100 Hz for weight. If harsh, notch the offending frequency and reduce high shelf. If things go wrong, reset the last few moves and re-listen. Small reversals often restore balance without overcorrecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.